السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. I'm teacher Amira Rifai. I'm Quran tutor for adults and kids, and today we will continue with Tajweed rules for kids. We will continue with the third group for Noon Saakinah and Tanween rules. Please follow me and focus. In this group for Noon Saakinah and Tanween rules, the third group is called Iqlab Role. This group, which is called Iqlab Rule, we need only first to understand what the meaning of Iqlab. Iqlab is the meaning of it to convert. As in this group, the Noon Saakinah and Tanween are converted into the letter Mim. And second thing, that the Iqlab rule has one letter. This one letter, it's called Ba, as if the Noon Saakinah or Tanween is followed by Ba letter, then Iqlab is pronounced. And in this Iqlab, we will pronounce it with a Gunnah. We said before that a Gunnah meaning of it is the nasal sound emitted from the nose, and this nasal sound has two counts in its pronunciation. Second thing, we want to know the form for Iqlab. We know that Noon Saakinah and Tanween rules, we will do it with the Noon Saakinah and Tanween. As here, this is the forms for Noon Saakinah and Tanween, which is Iqlab rule. When we see this sign as small meme in the top of Noon, the meaning of it, we will do Iqlab rule here. And for the Tanween come with Fatha, one Fatha with a small meme beside it. One Kasra with a small meme beside it. One Dhamma with a small meme beside it. All of them, the Tanween and the Noon Saakinah, all of them is Iqlab rule. We will read this Tanween with Iqlab and we will read this Noon with Iqlab. For examples, first thing now, before the examples, we need to know that examples for the Iqlab come sometimes with one word or sometimes with two words. This is for Noon Saakinah. And for Tanween, every time it's between two words. For the Noon Saakinah first, we will start reading, and for the pronunciation for Iqlab, the pronunciation for Iqlab, we will convert this Noon to be Mim with separating in the lips. This separating in the lips to be easy when you pronounce the Gunnah between the Noon and the letter after. Like you will say, and the. Now you change the Noon to be Mim, with separating in the lips to be easy for pronouncing the Gunnah. The. This example for the Noon, as after it, Ba. This Ba is a letter for Iqlab. This Ba make us pronounce the Noon with Iqlab. As when we see the Noon Saakinah, after it Ba, then we will change this Noon to be Mim with separating in the lips. Okay, now we will repeat again. Please repeat after me. أنبأ أنبتنا أنبتنا. Another example for the Noon in the one word. الأنباء الأنباء ذا. Another example for the Noon Saakinah in the two words. من بعد. من بعد. The examples for the Tanween. Every time Tanween with two words. قسمة بينهم. We will change the Tanween to be meme with a Gunnah, because after it is ba. The next word. And the next word we will start it with ba. Then we will say قسمة بينهم. قسمة بينهم. Another example for the Tanween with a kasra. Or زوج ذهير. زوج ذهير. Another example for Tanween with a fatha. سميعا بصيرا. سميعا بصيرا. جزاكم الله خيرا for watching, and please try to repeat again and practice this rule. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.